Welcome to Speak Peak English. Grab your notebook for an exciting English lesson as we explore conversations between Mrs. Peter and the shop lady. Discover new vocabulary, delve into the present continuous tense, and get ready to enhance your language skills. Stay tuned for the Repeat After Me segment to practice what you've learned. Let's make this language journey both interactive and enjoyable. Let's begin. An upcoming event is just a few days away. Mrs. Peter, feeling unsure about what to wear, decides it's time for a shopping spree. Now, she's on her way to her favorite boutique, eager to find the perfect outfit. Good afternoon, Mrs. Peter. I have an event soon, and I'm a bit unsure about my outfit. Can you help me find something nice? Of course. We're here to help. Let's start by checking out our new collection of evening gowns. They're designed to make a statement. That sounds great! I'm thinking of a classic yet elegant look. What options do you have? We have various styles, from timeless shapes to more modern designs. Maybe a long gown with some simple decorations could be a good fit for a stylish and sophisticated look. Sounds good. I like a bit of decoration. What about gowns with pretty lace details? Certainly. We have a lovely lace gown that's been quite popular. The lace adds a touch of romance to the overall look. Sounds nice. I'll definitely check that one out. By the way, do you have any gowns in bright colors? I'm thinking something vibrant. Absolutely. We have a stunning crimson gown that's elegant and makes a bold statement. It could be a fantastic choice if you want to stand out. Red is a great choice, but I usually prefer softer tones. Do you have any gowns in pastel shades? Of course. We have a beautiful pastel blue gown that's charming and sophisticated. It complements various skin tones splendidly. Ah, that sounds more like me. I'll take note of the pastel blue one. Anything else catching your eye in the gown department? Well, we also have a modern take on the classic black gown. It features a sleek design with some subtle details that add a contemporary twist. Black is timeless, isn't it? I'll consider that one as well. Thanks for the suggestions. I'll take my time to browse through and may need your opinion again. Absolutely, Mrs. Peter. Take your time. Try on as many as you'd like, and let me know if you need assistance or have any more questions. We want to make sure you find the perfect gown for your event. Mrs. Peter, after looking at all the pretty dresses, liked a light blue one and a black one. She wants to know which one looks better. So, she asks the shop lady for advice. Hi again. I chose this light blue dress and the black one. Can you help me pick which one is nicer on me? Sure thing, Mrs. Peter. First, try on the light blue one. It's soft and might look very nice. Let's see. Mrs. Peter puts on the light blue dress. What do you think? Wow, that looks really good. The color matches your skin and the style suits you. Cool. Now, let me try the black one. Mrs. Peter changes into the black dress. Nice choice. Black is always classy. What do you think of this one? It's a tough choice. I like the gentle feel of the light blue, but the black one is so elegant. What do you think? It depends on what you want. Light blue gives a soft, romantic vibe, and black is timeless. What about accessories and shoes? Oh, right, accessories. What goes well with each dress? For the light blue one, maybe silver accessories, like small earrings and a bracelet. And for the black dress, gold accessories can add some glamour. Good idea. What about shoes? Any classic heels will work. Maybe nude ones to match both dresses? True. I'll go with that. Thanks for helping. I think I've made up my mind. I'll take both dresses, the accessories, and the heels. Great choices, Mrs. Peter. You're going to look amazing at the event. If you need anything else or have more parties, just let us know. We're here to make you look fabulous. After listening to the conversation between Mrs. Peter and the shop lady, it's time to explore some new vocabulary words through this conversation. 1. Sophisticated. Adjective. Definition. Sophisticated means elegant, refined, and cultured. Example from the story. Mrs. Peter is searching for a sophisticated look for the upcoming event. Real-life example. The museum showcased a sophisticated collection of art from various eras. 2. Statement. Noun. Definition. Statement refers to a distinctive and noticeable expression or appearance. Example from the story. The evening gowns in the boutique are designed to make a statement. Real-life example. Her bold choice of accessories made a fashion statement at the party. 3. Romance. Noun. Definition. Romance refers to a quality or feeling of love, especially a romantic kind. Example from the story. The lace gown adds a touch of romance to the overall look. Real-life example. The couple's weekend getaway was filled with romance and laughter. 4. Sleek. Adjective. Definition. Sleek refers to smooth, elegant, and streamlined in design. Example from the story. The black gown features a sleek design with subtle details. Real-life example. The new sports car has a sleek and aerodynamic profile. 5. Contemporary. Adjective. Definition. Contemporary refers to modern, current, or reflecting the present time. Example from the story. The black gown has a contemporary twist with its sleek design. Real-life example. The art gallery showcases a mix of traditional and contemporary artwork. 6. Vibrant. Adjective. Definition. Vibrant refers to full of energy, brightness, and vivid colors. Example from the story. The stunning crimson gown is vibrant and makes a bold statement. Real-life example. The market was vibrant with colorful stalls and lively music. 7. Elegance. Noun. Definition. Elegance refers to the quality of being graceful and stylish in appearance or manner. Example from the story. Mrs. Peter is aiming for an elegant look for the upcoming event. Real-life example. The ballroom was decorated with simplicity and elegance for the wedding. 8. Fabulous. Adjective. Definition. Fabulous refers to extremely pleasing, wonderful, or excellent. Example from the story. The shop lady assures Mrs. Peter that she will look fabulous at the event. Real-life example. The vacation was truly fabulous, filled with adventure and relaxation. After our word exploration, let's now delve into identifying the present continuous tense within the conversation. Get ready to recognize and understand the ongoing actions expressed in Mrs. Peter and the shop girl's dialogue. Let's unravel the dynamic structure of the present continuous tense together. Present continuous tense. Definition. The present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is happening at the present moment or is in progress. It is formed by combining the present tense of the verb to be, am, are, is, with the present participle of the main verb. Example from the story. 1. Mrs. Peter, feeling unsure about what to wear, decides it's time for a shopping spree. In this sentence, feeling is the present participle and is the present tense of the verb to be. Together, they form the present continuous tense, indicating the ongoing action of Mrs. Peter feeling unsure as she decides to go shopping. 2. Mrs. Peter is searching for a sophisticated look for the upcoming event. In this sentence, is searching represents the ongoing action of Mrs. Peter as she looks for a sophisticated look. The combination of is present tense of to be, and searching present participle forms the present continuous tense. Get ready for our repeat after me session. Let's reinforce your English skills by echoing key phrases from the conversation. Practice makes perfect. Let's begin. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mrs. Peter. I have an event soon, and I'm a bit unsure about my outfit. Can you help me find something nice? Of course, we're here to help. Let's start by checking out our new collection of evening gowns. They're designed to make a statement. That sounds great! I'm thinking of a classic yet elegant look. What options do you have? We have various styles, from timeless shapes to more modern designs. Maybe a long gown with some simple decorations could be a good fit for a stylish and sophisticated look. Sounds good. I like a bit of decoration. What about gowns with pretty lace details? Certainly. We have a lovely lace gown that's been quite popular. The lace adds a touch of romance to the overall look. Sounds nice. I'll definitely check that one out. By the way, do you have any gowns in bright colors? I'm thinking something vibrant. Absolutely. We have a stunning crimson gown that's elegant and makes a bold statement. It could be a fantastic choice if you want to stand out. Red is a great choice, but I usually prefer softer tones. Do you have any gowns in pastel shades? Of course. We have a beautiful pastel blue gown that's charming and sophisticated. It complements various skin tones splendidly. Ah, that sounds more like me. I'll take note of the pastel blue one. Anything else catching your eye in the gown department? Well, we also have a modern take on the classic black gown. It features a sleek design with some subtle details that add a contemporary twist. Black is timeless, isn't it? I'll consider that one as well. Thanks for the suggestions. I'll take my time to browse through and may need your opinion again. Absolutely, Mrs. Peter. Take your time, try on as many as you'd like, and let me know if you need assistance or have any more questions. We want to make sure you find the perfect gown for your event. Mrs. Peter, after looking at all the pretty dresses, liked a light blue one and a black one. She wants to know which one looks better. So, she asks the shop lady for advice. Hi again. I chose this light blue dress and the black one. Can you help me pick which one is nicer on me? Sure thing, Mrs. Peter. First, try on the light blue one. It's soft and might look very nice. Let's see. Mrs. Peter puts on the light blue dress. What do you think? Wow, that looks really good. The color matches your skin and the style suits you. Cool! Now, let me try the black one. Mrs. Peter changes into the black dress. Nice choice. Black is always classy. What do you think of this one? It's a tough choice. I like the gentle feel of the light blue, but the black one is so elegant. What do you think? It depends on what you want. Light blue gives a soft, romantic vibe, and black is timeless. What about accessories and shoes? Oh, right, accessories. What goes well with each dress? For the light blue one, maybe silver accessories, like small earrings and a bracelet. And for the black dress, gold accessories can add some glamour. Good idea. What about shoes? Any classic heels will work. Maybe nude ones to match both dresses? True. I'll go with that. Thanks for helping. I think I've made up my mind. I'll take both dresses, the accessories, and the heels. Great choices, Mrs. Peter. You're going to look amazing at the event. If you need anything else or have more parties, just let us know. We're here to make you look fabulous. As we conclude our English learning journey through the captivating dialogues of Mrs. Peter and the shop lady, I hope you found it both educational and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more enriching content. Your support fuels our mission to make language learning exciting and accessible. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay tuned for more linguistic adventures. Thank you for being part of Speak Peak English.